Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. As you see, I have another Fashionphile unboxing for you today. I've gone ahead and opened up the box so that we could get straight into the unboxing. First thing though is some information on how they're packaging in the time of this pandemic. And it looks like they have included some hand sanitizer in a cute little Fashionphile dispenser, I guess. Here is some of the confetti, my receipts, the ubiquitous Fashionphile file. Can never have too many of those. And take out the paper. And if you can't tell from the number of stickers, I do have several pieces that I asked them to package all in one box, which I really appreciate. So this first piece, I hope they have everything in here. Okay, so this first piece, let's open it up. And as you can see, Fashionphile bag. And then let's go ahead and take this one out. This is a, second Fashionphile dust bag. And, ooh, bonus, a third. Much smaller, so obviously this is an SLG. Okay, so let's start with the SLG. Obviously doesn't come with its original box, but that's fine, because this is one I plan to put into rotation fairly quickly. And to reveal, my new to me Chanel flat card holder in the black caviar leather with gold hardware. As you can see, pretty good shape, not a lot of scratches. Does have some stretching. Again, another well-loved piece. And the Fashionphile tag, the Fashionphile authenticity certificate. Okay, so this doesn't come with its own authenticity card, which not a deal breaker, but I always prefer to have them. And as you can see, there's the number right there. This appears to be this is a 27 series, so fairly recent, but obviously quite well loved, given the fact that it is a relatively recent piece. Next, what should we go for? The smaller piece or the bigger piece? Well, since we started out with the smallest, let's go with the next size. Well, these are kind of similar. Oh, let's go with this one. It seems to be smaller. And you will quickly see a theme in these two particular pieces. And this is my new to me Louis Vuitton in the vernis leather. Oh, that's good. They put some paper around it. And this is the Melrose. Couldn't remember the name. The Melrose in the blueberry color. There's a little bit of scratching there. There's the silver hardware, which you don't really find much in Louis Vuitton pieces. Most of the time it's gold, but I actually do prefer silver. Has this piece of black leather with the Louis Vuitton Paris embossed. And I don't know if you can tell, but the embossed LVs on this vernis, they're still quite prominent. Now this bag does have the top handle and a detachable strap, which is not a long detachable strap, but you can therefore use it as a shoulder bag, or if you have another detachable Louis Vuitton strap that you can use with it, you could potentially use this as crossbody, but given the size of it, probably better to use it as a shoulder bag if you are going to want it hands-free. This does. It also has a detachable strap. It has two zippered compartments and a front slip compartment. As you can see, it has a slip compartment here, and then in this part, it's big black hole, but it has the microfiber interior. There are two slip pockets here, and there is also makes it a little bit different. Instead of the usual leather, there is a metal piece with the Louis Vuitton made in France. The back compartment is just, as you can see, a big black hole. There are no pockets. On the back, there are 4 feet, and they are all have the Louis Vuitton on the hardware. On to my final Preloved piece from Fashionphile. This one came up on the site, and I pretty much snatched it up as soon as I could because I knew I really wanted something in this color, and I actually like these handbags because they come in such beautiful colors. So as I told you, there is a theme, and this is, as you can see, this is a Balenciaga bag. Quite good condition. This is the giant 12 gold city bag with gold hardware. It's really nice light gold hardware. Typical Balenciaga, no feet. This is in the sheepskin. But this is like an amazing condition. I'm curious as to whether it was actually ever used. It doesn't really look like it was. So if we pull out the stuffing, it comes with the Balenciaga dust bag, and oh, this bag wasn't used. The tag is still here. So this is the light mauve color, and you can tell the original price was $18.95. Let me tell you, I paid probably less than a third of that for this bag. So this was quite a good deal. This is a Balenciaga City bag. It does have the gold hardware, and like all Balenciaga City bags, they don't have any feet. This has on the rolled handles with the whip stitch. Does have the front pocket that does hold a mirror. This does come with a detachable strap, and this is a shoulder strap. It's not a crossbody length. Now this bag does have the black fabric interior with one zippered pocket here, the Balenciaga tag with the certification number. It also has two slip pockets here that you can place your phone. If you can see, I know it's a little bit difficult because this is so dark. Now I am quite happy with all of these purchases, and I hope you enjoyed my little Fashionphile unboxing and reveal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you are informed of all of my future videos. I hope you are all staying well and are enjoying your week. Have a great day. Bye.